Good. Pumping up, stay forward. That's it. Yeah! Dude, that was the best one yet. Yeah! Ah! What's up, Andrew?
What up, Josh?
Hey, what are we gonna do today?
We're gonna be airing over the spine, dude.
Yeah! Ah! We're gonna warm up with some rock transfers over the spine right now.
Okay.
Show me how to do that. That's it. Good. Remember, try to get that front foot up on the nose so you rock over. I want to see you rocking by bending down. When you're on the coping, bending down and pushing on the nose to clear your back truck. Good. Bend down and push on the nose. That's better. Hey, that's better. So much better. Next, blunt stall, blunt transfer over the spine.
Yeah!
All right, come on.
I'll get some speed, Josh.
All right, do you want a hand? Okay. Pump up into it, a little pop. That's it. Good. Now, where's the head and body? Good. Good. And then you start to tuck down, big pump. That's it. Okay. Make sure everybody gives it that hop when they lock in, learning their blunt, so that you don't get stuck in between the coping. Remember, Andrew, give it that hop so you lock in right. Get those feet set, riding position, big hop. Oh, missed it, but that's okay. Now look, now if this happens, wiggle the front foot up onto the nose. Up, 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 up. Good. Now, really tuck down into your rock. Big rock. Good. And that's okay. If that happens, you know, take your time, keep your head over top of the coping, bend down, wiggle. Use your heel to toe to wiggle your front foot up onto the nose. Lean into your front foot as you bend down and rock into the transition. Big hop. Good. That's it. One hand only, back hand only. Grab the nose with the front hand. Give it a big hop. That's it. Continue to grab that nose and make sure that your head leans over into your front truck. Remember, get your feet spread out nice and wide. Give it a big hop. That's it. Perfect. Now we're going to do some launch outs to get in to work our way into the motion of bending down and pumping up past the coping and letting the board float up into our knees, bending our knees and pulling our knees up into our body. Remember, you got to keep pulling your knees up into your body so you keep control of your board. If you keep your legs straight, you won't be able to kick your board away. It'll be a lot harder. So the more you can pull your board up into your body, you'll have more control to kick it away if you need to, okay? And that'll save you so that you can kick out and land into a knee slide, okay? Yes, exactly, those knee pads.
Wear knee pads.
Wear a knee pad. Let's roll in and do a couple launch outs real quick, okay? Let me see a roll in. Let me see a roll in, pump, and launch out right here. Right here, Andrew. Can you do this? Nice. Easy? Easy.
Now this is what I wanted to do.
Exaggerate that pump up and really pull your knees up into your chest, okay?
Okay.
Big push, big pump. Big pump right here. That's it. What?
Do any type of spin.
You want to film me do it? All right, come here. Ready?
Yep. I saw you. I saw it.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
All right. Now the next one of these, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull my knees up into my chest and I'm going to use my front foot to kick my skateboard back and behind me. Can you do that?
I'll try it. Just give me your board and I'll try it. I promise I won't break it, but first I have to air over it.
Okay. Big pump up. Ah, what happened to kicking that skateboard back and behind you?
I had to do it first.
Oh, you got to do it first. Okay. Okay, that was the first one. Let me see the second one. You better learn how to kick that board back and behind you. Come on, let me see it. Big launch up. Big kick back. Hey, good, dude.
I'm so sorry for hitting your board.
That's okay. Try to keep more control as you pump up. Get your air, then kick out. Don't just launch off and kick out, okay?
Yeah, because if you just launch out and kick
Then you're
out,
not even trying. Yeah, just really commit to going up in the air and at the top of your air, kick backwards. So let your knees come up, then kick backwards. Oh, hey, what's going on there? Remember, don't go so crazy. Don't go so high. Hey, slow it down. Keep your head and body over top of your board. Let the board float up underneath your body, then kick it back.
Okay.
Good. Ready for some spine action?
Josh,
Huh.
I have a pro tip.
What's your pro tip?
At the end.
Okay, let's hear it.
When you're airing over something and you can't bail, you have to land it. And if you don't have knee pads, you can just run out of it.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. But make sure always to wear a helmet just in case. And wear elbow pads.
There you go. That's
So
a good,
like
that's a
this.
good tip. Good, remember, get those feet matching, riding position. Focus on your pump up, big pump up and hop. Perfect. All right, Andrew.
Yeah?
We're gonna do the same thing. I want you to go faster, bump the coping, and pull your knees up like a fly out, okay? Keep your knees pulled up, and I'll help you into your landing. That's good. And big bump. That's it. Hey, dude. Hey, that was fantastic, man. That was gnarly. You literally, you just launched it, dude. Keep that same speed. Let that board pop up into your feet, into your pump. Not too fast. Oh my God. Slow it down. Slow it down. Oh my God. Slow down. Andrew, you gotta slow down, dude. You're going to the moon. Hey, you gotta slow down, man. You're doing fantastic, but you gotta keep control and let those knees come up. Stay calm, and then once you hit the apex, you start to lean in a little bit and land into your pump, okay? Remember, nice and smooth, tuck into your pump, gentle. That's it. Taking your deep breath. Good. Remember to big pump up, knees up. So. Did you lean forward when you were in the air? No.
No, so that's why I caught my back.
Yes, exactly. You can clip your tail, that's okay. But the whole problem is you need to make sure that you're leaning in to match the transition into your pump as you come back down the ramp. Okay?
I'm so sorry, Josh.
It's all good. Back over here. You're doing fantastic. Hey, I'm proud of you, dude. Let me see another one. Let me see another one. Hey, big deep breath, controlling the speed. Take a nice deep breath. Remember, up and forward, up and forward. Hey. You're walking that sketchy line again. Your wheels bumped on the coping. So give it a little more speed and let those knees come up more, okay?
I didn't mean to.
That's okay, that's okay. Give it a little more speed and pump up a little bit more, okay? Okay, try it again. I don't want you to hang up and you don't want to either. So make sure you pull the knees up into the chest to be sure you're clearing those back wheels. Now give it just a tiny little more speed. I'm proud of you, man. It's a big day. Okay, get it. Spreading those feet out. Big pump, remember, nice and light, up and forward. That's it, that's it. So, that one got sketchy because did you land into your pump? No, you landed straight legged, right? So that's what I'm talking about. Hey, but I'm proud of you. That was much better clear over the coping. Dude, you're ripping, bro. You're ripping. Let the feet be nice and soft like feathers, okay? If board just floats up underneath your body, then you lean in just a little bit and start to extend down into your pump. Show me. Imagine yourself doing it. Good. Pumping up, stay forward. That's it. Yeah! Dude, that was the best one yet. Yeah! Ah! Dude, seriously.
Josh, imagine this.
Huh?
I'm gonna pull off your thumb.
No, don't do. Ow! Ow! Hey, seriously, man, I'm super proud of you. You did fantastic today.
Maybe next time.
No, yeah, now next time you go over the other way? Yeah! Okay, hey. Sick, dude.
I tail smacked it the last one.
Hey, thanks for trying so well. Seriously.
Do it to Cooper.
Yeah, I'll help him. Ooh. He's all right.